Hi there, my name is Nicola. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, here on NNWeb I'm teaching about HTML, CSS, WordPress, Bootstrap and web design. In previous episode,
Merry
I
Christmas.
designed this custom header in Photoshop. Today I want to give it a life with WordPress. If you didn't watch this design tutorial, check the link in the description. Before we start, I will be very happy if you click on that subscribe button. Also, leave a like for this video. If you have any questions, write it down in the comments. Also, don't forget to smash the bell for more upcoming videos. Without further ado, let's go. Okay guys, let's minimize this Photoshop here. And on my local machine, I have the fresh 5.6 WordPress installation with OceanWP Theme. And first of all, I want to create one page. I want to create actually the home page. Okay, here let's set the full width and leave it this settings as is, just like here. Just disable the title and disable display footer widgets area. Click on publish. Okay, next let's go on the settings. In writing, in reading, let's set the static page, my home page. Next, let's go and create some custom links. We need some custom links. First, let's add the name for this menu. Let's add the home page and go on custom links. Now let me see which page we need. This URL goes nowhere, and here type this wash car, click add, and now I'm going to speed up this process because it is the same for all other links. Okay, I already check this display location to be main. If you don't like it with this list order, you can change it, of course, but I like just like this. Click on save, and now let's go in our customizer to set some identity for our website. Okay, here let's remove this site title, and here in tagline just paste this text. You can use your own, of course. Also, if you want, you can add your site icon, this icon here, fav icon actually. If you want to know how to do that, for example, on HTML and CSS website, you can see my tutorial, my bonus video from my HTML and CSS free course. I will put in the link. And also, if you have time, go and check the whole course. Okay, let's set the header now. In our customizer, go to header, and in general, choose the header style. But before that, let's go and set the logo. Sorry, just let me edit this Calypso logo. This is one Serbian company. Please add your own logo. Click here on publish to save our changes. And now also in header, let's go in general and choose style for header to be top menu. Okay, for background color, let's add 13. Okay, and for menu position, let's set the after the logo. Here, see, we have toolbar, but later we will add this text here and a little bit CSS, just like and social icons here. Here we have this search bar, just like in our sketch. Okay, here we have home, wash car, and our all others. And now let's go to our menu And here let's choose the link. Actually, let's change the link color to be FF0606. This is our red shade. And for hover, let's add 1313. You see. And also we need link effect and we need underline up. Here you see, and change the color here. 3030 again. Okay. This is all for here. Settings for our menu. Now let's go in Customizer and go to in typography to change the typography for our menu. Choose for font family Montserrat. No, this one, no that, but this one. Font weight will be medium 500. Also, font size will be default. Text transformation will be capitalized. And font size will be 40 pixel. In original sketch, original idea, here when we hover, just underline goes up, but here also we have the changing color for those links here. Okay, now let's click here on publish and let's add some content for our top bar. Here we are in Customizer. From typography, just click 2 times back and click here on custom, no, actually here in top bar in content. And let's paste this division here. This is division with class of top bar division with this text, but this is Serbian. Let me change it. Working hours. And we in CSS, we will target this class. Again, go to Customizer. Paste this class here. And let me copy this CSS code. Here we have font family Montserrat. The backup font is sans serif. Color will be 333s. And font weight is 300. Here also you can change the font size if you want, of course. Click here on publish to save it. And now we have in top bar, we need to add the social icons here. What we have, I think, let me see. We have Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Okay, Facebook, Instagram. Of course, here you can put your own links to your social profiles. Just for tutorial purposes, I put this hash sign. And also we need the YouTube. Okay. Now let's set the social links color, 1313. And for hover, let's set our FF0606 shade of red. You see. Okay, click on publish. Now let's go out from our customizer and see our page. In original sketch, let me show you. Here, this space is for video footage, but I don't want to add it right now, just in this header part, and for your projects, you can add your own content. Okay, let's check the responsiveness. It is very important part. And also responsiveness is very good and set by default by OceanWP Theme, actually, with this menu, with our links. In Customizer, you can find this option to change color on hover for this mobile menu. Okay, and also you can change the font size for this text here and put some padding bottom or margin bottom to give some room between icons and text if you want. Okay, guys, this is all for today's video. Before finishing this tutorial, again, I will be very happy if you click on this subscribe button. If you have any questions, write down in the comments. Also check my 3.5 hours free HTML and CSS course. There you can learn how to create modern and responsive website with just these two technologies. Okay, don't forget to smash the bell. Thank you for watching me and see you around. Bye bye.